Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve swapping nodes in a linked list. It is a medium level Leetcode problem. Let's see. So you are given a head of a linked list and an integer k, and you have to return the head of a linked list after swapping the values of kth node from the beginning and the kth node from the end, and the list is one index. Okay, so here it is your linked list and this is k equals to 2. That means one index means 2, and from here 1 2. So you have to swap 4 and 2. Okay, so your linked list will convert to this, and you have to return the head of this. That means you have to return this. Okay, so you can check another example as well. K equals to 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5. So you have to swap 7 and 8, and it will be 8 and 7, and your answer will be this. So how you are going to solve this problem? So the first solution will be solution 1. First of all, we are going to find the length of the linked list. Let's say it is n. Okay, and while finding the length of the linked list, we will store the kth node, reference of the kth node. Okay, let's say it is the kth node. This will the points to the kth node. So what we are going to do, and after finding length and the kth node reference, we will reiterate through this list and check n minus kth from starting. From start, kth from end means n minus k from start, and find the n minus k from start and swap the kth node with n minus k kth node from the start. I hope you got the answer. Let's see the code to get the more information. So first of all, we initialize our length equals to 0, and we are taking an temp variable which is points to head, and a kth node which will store the reference of kth node. So we increase our length, and if n equals to k, that means we find our kth node, then we will store the reference of kth node in the kth node variable, and we will iterate until we calculate the size of this list. Then what we are going to do, we are taking our temps to start of the linked list again, and start the again, and for the n minus k times, and we reach to the n minus kth node, and then we are going to simply swap this and return the head. So this will be the first solution, and the time complexity will be O(n), but actually we are passing it twice. First we are doing one loop here for finding the length, and second loop here for n minus k time. So can we optimize this solution to have only in one pass? Let's see the solution second. So what will the solution 2? So solution 2 will be, we start with the 2 pointer. Let's say one is our left pointer and one is our right pointer. Okay, one is left is points to kth node, and right is point to n minus kth node. Okay, our aim is this, and this will be, and we will have one variable, let's say current, which will be points to the current variable. So what our target is, first of all, while iterating, we are taking, let's say, one variable size equals to 0 until size of this linked list is k. Okay, it is one index. Now start from 1. So until the size equals to k, size is less than k, we will iterate this left icon. So let's say right now we have a k equals to 2, so we will going to do our left is equals to 1 and left is equals to 2. From now our k is greater than size. So now we are going to update our right. Okay, so we are going to update right n minus k times, n minus k times from here. So n minus k times will be 1, 2, 3 and then here. Okay, now we are going to swap this value 2 or 4 and we will get the answer. So let's see the code. So this is our solution. We are starting with left, which points to head, right head and current head, and taking our size is equals to 1. So if size is less than k, then we are increment our left equals to left next. So how many times it will be? It will be it after k times iteration. It will be points to our kth node. Okay, and then after size greater than k, it will be points to our n minus k times. So starting from head and it's running up n minus k times, so it will points to n minus kth node. So and we are increment current every time and increment our size. After that we are going to swap our n minus k and the kth node and return the head. So this is a solution in which we are using only one pass, and the time complexity is still same, or it is of n, and space complexity is of 1 because we are not using any extra space here. So